You already saw how impressive the meals look like in the picture at the beginning of this video. So this is all I have to say. If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So with the Dungeness crab, which is what I have, I just boiling them. And you boil them until they cook. I have this for about 12 minutes now. And the thing about Dungeness crabs is that these crabs are from North America, but in Puerto Rico and people from the islands, we tend to fish land crabs. And the cooking method is pretty much the same. I just wanted to let you know, when I was a kid, I was cooking those land crabs with my uncle Eli back in a place named El Condado in San Juan. That was a lagoon. The crabs were around the land. And if they bite you, you're in trouble. And then we take them home and we clean them. The way we clean them is we have them in a cage for several days, sometimes even a couple weeks, 3 weeks, and we feed them corn so they start cleaning themselves. The internal eating system, you get it clean. And this one is about done. See how beautiful? Now I'm going to focus on the dip. I designed this recipe. It's going to enhance the flavor of the crab as well as the side dishes. And I want to share that recipe with you. So go nowhere. So for my dip, I am designing this a little bit different to other dips I designed in the past. I'm going to be using thyme, fresh. I'm going to have some garlic teeth. It might be less than this. I just have a bunch here. You're going to grind them. I have a tiny bit of sugar or sugar replacement. I'm going to sweeten it. I'm going to use a little bit of squeezed lemon, not a lot. Also going to use some sea salt, which I'm going to grind. I have about a cup and a half of white vinegar. With cup, I mean this. And I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. So it's a mix of contradictory ingredients designed specifically to enhance your palate. So I have a small pan, heat at medium high for now, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt some of that butter first. Just a little bit of butter, As it melts, you can add your vinegar. And you're going to lower the heat to medium. Add your sugar or sugar replacement. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Maybe a couple tablespoons. Some of your sea salt. Then you start adding your thyme. Fresh. The amount doesn't matter. You can add a lot if you want to. Here's something set up. Keep the heat at medium. And then you grab your garlic and you mince it. Ooh, smells delicious. And you mince whatever amount you want to mince. I'm gonna try to go with three teeth. This stuff smells delicious. Then what you do, you might reduce the heat a little bit lower. I say a couple notches above medium, or I mean above low, couple notches below medium. And you add a little bit squeeze of your lemon. That's why you reduce the heat. And just let it cook for maybe 2-3 minutes after you add all the ingredients. So from now, wait about 2 minutes, maybe 3. And I'm complementing this dish with some rice, Puerto Rican style, and some fried tostones. I'm not going to show a lot of that in this video, but you can go down in the description and I'm going to have a couple links of how you can prepare this like a master chef.